In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Notion account. So once you're inside Notion, guys, on the upper left hand side, click the drop down on your workspace and click on settings. Now go ahead and click your account name right below account there on the top left, and you want to go ahead and find your email. There's going to be a section for change email at the top right below the account security. Click on that, and from here it will send a verification code to your current email. Now from here, all you have to do is just go ahead and choose a send verification code. Now once you receive the verification code in your email, all you have to do is go ahead and proceed. So I'm going to open up my email right here to find that verification code that Notion sent to me. I'm going to find that. You'll find an email that says your change email verification, right? And it basically gives you the code. You copy that and go back to Notion. Go ahead and enter that verification code. Click and continue. It's going to give you the option now to enter your new email address, which after you enter that new email address, send the verification code to that email, and you will be able to get that verification code. Then it will be able to actually change your email address. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.